Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by powering and pairing the Series 9. Do this now. Plug the charger, bring the watch within a few inches of your iPhone, and open the watch app. The pairing animation appears. Tap Pair, scan the animation, and follow prompts to sign in with your Apple ID. Once paired, install watchOS updates. This ensures features and security. Make sure wrist detection and passcode are enabled so health, payments, and Apple Pay work immediately. Small setup steps that unlock core functionality. Once paired and updated, learn the interaction model. This is how you get things done. Tap and swipe to open apps, press the digital crown to access the app grid and home, and turn it for fine scrolling. Swipe up for Control Center to toggle connectivity, silent mode, and battery savings. Long press a watch face to change or customize complications. Make sure haptic strength is tuned in settings so notifications feel noticeable without being jarring. This keeps you informed without distraction. To finish, sync essential services and safety features. Open the Watch app to enable health, activity, and workout syncing. Set realistic move and exercise goals. Add cards to wallet for Apple Pay and enable emergency SOS and fall detection so the watch can call for help. Backups occur with your iPhone, so keep iCloud active. If something goes wrong, restart both devices and try pairing again. If that fails, unpair to erase and repair. This resolves most stubborn sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.